How to log in to Temu account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to Temu account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device, or you can open your preferred browser and search for temu.com. The process for the application and website is the same. I will open my Temu application. Once opened, you will be led to this type of interface. You can tap on the small sign in button you see there on the home page, or you can also tap on the U option and further tap on the sign in or register button. You will then be led to the login portal of Temu. You can sign in using your email or phone number and tap on continue and further create a password with minimum of 8 letters. Or you can also continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. I will sign in using my email address in the text box above and tap on continue. Now create a password and further tap on the register button. And with this, you will be successfully logged in to Temu account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.